proud of us and accents. You asked to call that an asset, because you consider the jet sounding this massive. From the first time I saw it, I actually said to myself, I gotta meet her like a taxi. Exactly, love affair in the backseat. Sorry if I'm being graphic. What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So this video is going to be my February Ipsy unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. Ipsy is a subscription beauty service that is $10 a month. It is created by Michelle Fan, and you know, it is a very good deal for $10 most of the time. My favorite part about Ipsy is that it does come with a makeup bag every month. So this month's makeup bag, I love this so much. It is like a pale pink with black lace, and I just think it is so feminine and I love it, and especially for February with Valentine's Day. I adore this. I love like the pink and black combination. So without any more blabber from me, I think we're gonna get into it. But real quick, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know what kind of content you guys enjoy the most. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm fucking awesome and you just need to do it. Okay? Trust me. So the first thing, it wasn't in the bag, so I'm just going to go with it first. It is this BIOBELLE 5-minute facial mask with tea tree oil, rosehip extract, and vitamin C. Enhances radiance, minimizes pores, evens skin tone, and it says it's a primer. Prep the skin for a flawless makeup application. Very interesting. Okay, so it says a new primer sheet mask that boosts facial texture, minimizes pores, and evens skin tone while prepping the skin for a flawless makeup application. Very interesting. All right, well, let's see what is in the bag. So the first thing I grab is this Estate Do Me fake Do Me. I actually used to live right by a street that was called Do Me, but it was D-U-H-M-E. But I remember as a kid, you know how immature you are as kids, like you hear the word butt and you giggle for 5 minutes, but that's where my school was. It was off of Do Me, so we were always like, Do Me, huh? So it is a baked highlighter powder. Okay, let's see. I haven't heard of this brand before, but okay, so it's like a purple highlighter? I don't know about it. Okay, let me swatch it. Oh, it's pretty. It's not as purple as it looks in the pan. It has more of like a silver undertone to it. Oh, I really like that. I'm excited to try that with maybe like a more purple look. Okay, so moving on. The next, ooh, it is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick, Ipsy Unzipped. But I don't think I've ever tried the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipsticks. Maybe like their matte ones. But so let's see what this looks like. This is like a deep like cranberry mauve. That's pretty. It's not a color I would normally rock, but I would definitely try it. So the next item is, ooh, it is this It Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. And it's in light ultra fair. I have actually tried this concealer before. At first I thought it was the mascara because I love their mascara. And this concealer, it is extremely full coverage, but it can be kind of hard to blend out
and it's a little bit drying. It says award-winning anti-aging formula, highly pigmented, it covers everything, won't crease or crack, and clinically shown to make skin look younger. So here it is just out of the tube, and then let me blend it out for you. You can see how full coverage it is. It's like, I'm gonna move it over here so you can see that it like covered up that vein I had. It is extremely full coverage. It doesn't feel as drying as it used to. Maybe they changed the formula. It is very possible. So I'm excited to try that again. Because I do love IT Cosmetics. I love their skincare and I love their makeup. The next product is this F.A.R.A.H large angled contour brush in 30F. So I'm not the biggest fan of contouring. I mean, I just kind of use my bronzer as my contour. But I would definitely use this as a blush brush, actually. Like, no joke. I would definitely use this as a blush brush, and I love getting brushes. And I got another F.A.R.A.H brush, I think, and I really do like it. It says, and then on the other side it says, be beautiful, be you. Alright, that's my entire February Ipsy bag. Let me know what you guys think about it, and if you got any of the same products, if you do get Ipsy. And I will see you guys on my next video. Peace. Love you. Bye.